Hey guys, how are you? This is Priti. So today I will be creating an everyday makeup look. So let's get started. I've already applied some lipstick. I will help you guys how to do your base. Let's get started. So the first step is to have a clean face before makeup. So what you have to do is wash your face, and if you think still you have some makeup on your face, use a makeup remover. You can use any makeup remover. I have the Sephora one, so yeah, you can use it as well. Next step will be this moisturizer. I'm using this moisturizer. This is by Neutrogena, and yeah. Then take any foundation. I'm taking this Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. You can also use a beauty blender. Set your face using a compact powder. Applying this liner to my eyes. From this to this. So I'm done with my eyes. And you can also apply some bronzer if you want. Let's get started and apply. Now for the lipstick, you can apply any lipstick as per your mood, your choice. So we're done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. See you.